Hi everyone, I'm Catherine with GraCee Designs, and this is Mornings with GraCee. So today's video is going to be machine embroidery. I'm going to show you how to make these adorable butterfly lace earrings. I will be using the Brother PE 800. You will need a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery hoop, wash away stabilizer, thread, bobbin, small scissor or clippers, and earring hooks. You will also need a small container or tub with warm water and a paper towel. I have built-in designs, but I get a lot of my designs from Embroidery.com. They have many beautiful lace designs. I'm searching through my thumb drive for my butterfly, and I'm going to click on it and put that in the frame. And then we'll have to do it again to add the second butterfly. And then we're going to move the butterflies apart. It's a touch screen, so you can use your finger to place them, or you can use the move button, and we have them set. Embroider, we're ready to go. I did want to show you another pair that I had made. They're the Christmas stockings. The reason I'm showing you this is because, as you see, they are mirrored, but of course the design, when you put it on the machine, is not going to be mirrored. And with the butterfly, you can't really tell because it's the same. So I wanted to show you that you use the mirror button so the earrings fall in the right direction on your ears. I decided to use variegated thread to make it more colorful, like a butterfly. I'm using a white bobbin. Normally, if you have a solid color, you would use the same color in the bobbin. So this way the front and the back both have full color. Going to thread my machine. It's all marked out for you. It's very easy to thread this machine. It has an automatic threader, which is a necessity on an embroidery machine because you are changing threads over and over for designs. And this makes it super easy and saves time. Getting back to bobbin color. If you don't and you use the white, that's fine. I use the white a lot for the back of my lace earrings. It does come out a little lighter on the back, but for earrings, I don't mind, since when they're on your ears, you don't really see the back of them. Going to load the bobbin, and we'll be ready to go. I have my 4x4 hoop, so you can make this on other Brother machines. You don't need the 5x7 hoop to make the lace earrings. I have my stabilizer, and I always put the label, thanks to Channel's sewing report, with this great tip inside the tube, so I always know which stabilizer it is. We're going to use 2 sheets. I really love making lace designs. They're so easy. You just need the wash away stabilizer. And here on the larger hoop, you can see I have more than one set of earrings ready to go. And then hoop it up. Pull it so it's taut. Tighten up the screw. And we'll be all set. Now we'll place our hoop onto the machine. And begin embroidering the design. I've completed one butterfly, and now we will begin the next one. They are both finished, and now we will trim the threads and remove the design from the hoop. I like to cut my threads while the design is in the hoop. I think it's much easier. Of course, it's not necessary, but that's the way I like to do it. Sometimes if you have a piece of fabric that you want to get the design right out of the hoop so it doesn't leave a hoop mark, that's okay. You can clean the threads after you take it out. We don't have to worry about hoop marks with this design. The next step, we will cut out the butterflies. I like to cut the designs out as close as possible to the design. This way it's less that you have to worry about dissolving when placing it in the warm water. After we cut them out, we get a little tub or container of warm water, and we put the butterflies into the water. And that'll wash away all that stabilizer. It feels a little sticky. Just keep, dipping it in the warm water until it's all dissolved. I'll then place the butterflies on a paper towel to dry them. I like to dry them overnight. Pat them with the paper towel. And then we can add our earring hooks. And on this particular design, you can place the hooks in 2 spots. I like the butterflies to hang sideways like this, but you can put the hook right into the middle. Either way is fine. Close up the hooks and the earring is finished. Do the same for the other one. And now you have this mirrored look here with the way I've added the hooks. And they are finished. And you can see these designs are very detailed. I also really like the variegated for the butterflies. Our butterfly lace earrings are ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share GraCee Designs. And join me next time on Mornings with GraCee.